If you're into creating animated characters, hyper-realistic influencers, generating and editing images or videos, or working with generative AI in any form, then this video is definitely for you. As you probably know, using advanced AI tools today often comes with high costs. Online platforms either charge you a hefty fee, or if they're free, they lack speed, quality, or come with watermarked outputs that can't be used for commercial purposes. On the other hand, you could use local AI solutions on your personal computer, but then you'd need to invest a significant amount of money in powerful CPUs, GPUs, and hardware capable of handling demanding AI processes. Now, there's a platform that solves all these issues by providing you with fast and high-quality AI tools without the need for expensive hardware. Enter MimicPC, a platform where you can create animations, videos, images, characters, and any other visual content you can imagine. To give you a clearer idea, visit the MimicPC website and see for yourself. Here you'll have access to some of the most advanced AI tools to produce incredibly high-quality content. For example, tools like Fooocus Colab, which I've mentioned in previous videos, let you create consistent characters in Paint and Outpaint, utilize generative AI, and so much more. There's also Auto 1111, which uses stable diffusion to generate stunning and professional-grade images. Face Fusion allows you to swap faces on characters effortlessly. And AI models like Flux.1, one of the most powerful and high-quality options available, are also accessible through this platform. MimicPC also offers a variety of workflows that you can explore directly on their website. You can turn your photos into 3D models, anime-style images, or line art. Use Flux for product design or interior design images. Upscale your photos and videos, generate videos, and explore countless other workflows that you can set up on this platform, all without relying on your own GPU, CPU, or personal hardware. If you find all this a bit technical or intimidating, don't worry. MimicPC has you covered. They provide plenty of free tutorials designed to be straightforward and easy to follow, helping you achieve your desired results with ease. As you can see, by using MimicPC, you can eliminate the need for most other platforms, while dramatically improving the speed and quality of your work, putting you on the path to becoming a pro. So if you're ready, let's dive into the platform and test out some of its features together. As soon as you sign up, you'll receive some free credits and storage to test out the platform. In the main section, you'll find a variety of essential and highly practical AI tools, each offering a wide range of capabilities. I've already mentioned a few of these tools and their functions, but here I want to emphasize that you can handle virtually anything related to audio, image, and video on this platform without any limitations. Once you select one of these apps, it launches for you, and you can get started right away. Let's begin with Auto 1111 Forge version, which, as I've mentioned before, generates outstanding images. To set it up, first ensure you're using the latest version. In the hardware section, you can manage your costs by choosing from various options. Based on my experience, the large configuration is a good choice for this AI. This option provides 24 gigabytes of VRAM and 16 gigabytes of RAM, ensuring excellent speed and performance. Next, input the estimated time you'll be using the AI. This helps avoid unnecessary consumption of time and credits. You can also enable the option to automatically extend the session before it ends. Once done, click Create and Start, and within about 30 seconds, the system will be set up and ready to use. At the top of the main screen, you'll see a timer showing the remaining time for your session. You can extend, stop, or relaunch it as needed. On the right side, you'll find related tutorials, which you can refer to if needed. Now I want to try Flux 1-Schnell, one of my personal favorites. This tool also supports image to image, but let's start with text to image to test its capabilities. I prepared a prompt in advance, but you can just as easily create your own prompts using a few simple words. The interface offers a wide range of customization options, but I'll keep things simple and only set the frame size to 1920 by 1080. The generated image looks fantastic. everything is perfect. If you want higher precision or quality, you can tweak the settings and generate the image again. Next, let's try creating an animation prompt. And just like that, it's beautifully rendered. Whatever image or quality you have in mind, you can produce it effortlessly on this platform. Finally, let's stop the session. One great feature is that MimicPC accurately calculates the usage time, ensuring you're not charged for any unused minutes. Now let's try Omnigen, an incredibly versatile and exciting AI tool. The initial setup steps are the same as before, but I recommend selecting the Ultra plan for better speed and performance. This AI has numerous practical applications, and the simplest one is generating realistic images. Let's start with that using a prompt I've prepared. After running it, wow, it looks impressive. Now let's explore its other fascinating features. If you scroll down a bit, you'll find a table where you can test and execute different models. For instance, you can use one of the models to create consistent characters. Simply upload your desired image and write a short prompt. The results are quite accurate, though you can improve them further by using negative prompts and adjusting the settings. If needed, you can tweak the prompt and try again. The next model we'll test has the capability to identify and isolate specific characters within a group photo. For example, let's say I want to see the man on the right wearing blue, reading a book. The result, it's spot on. Now let's imagine the man on the left running. Again, it's perfect and consistent. This feature is absolutely remarkable. Another model allows you to combine two individuals from separate photos into one image. I'll upload two previously generated images and slightly adjust the prompt. The output is good, though you'll notice the man's hair changed unintentionally. We can reprocess this either with Omnigen itself or refine it using Fooocus to achieve the desired result. One of the more advanced features is generating a character based on a specific pose. You can upload an image of the pose and write a prompt to create a new character in that pose. This is both incredibly practical and impressive. With Omnigen, you can also blend two images into a single composition. For example, let's combine these flowers and place them in one of the vases. The result, beautiful and highly accurate. MimicPC stands out as a powerful tool for creative projects, offering a wide range of capabilities that are easy to use, yet deliver professional-grade results. You can explore it yourself, test the other models, and see just how far its creative potential can take you. The good news is that it also offers a free plan, so you can test it out without any cost. Here you can check out the pricing for the paid plans if you decide to upgrade. Until next time, stay creative.